ABC and we don't even know that music has been integrated. This is arts enhanced curriculum. So just visualize how we can have arts enhanced curriculum in all the classes and all the subjects. Going to the zoo and seeing how animals look and how do they behave is experiential learning instead of going through the books. Having a cycle and then start paddling and then learning to ride is experiential learning instead of saying that this is a cycle, it has got two handles and a brake and there are two wheels and you have to sit on the seat and then you can ride it. So experiential learning is experiencing it yourself. And art integrated learning helps a lot in experiential learning. See, art integrated learning is a pedagogical tool. The last 3 lines I'm talking about, where art is used as a pathway to experiential learning in which the learner passes through various stages of observation,